Good morning, students. Welcome in science class, chapter 4, Right Clothes to Wear. We had completed the discussion, full chapter we had completed. Today, we will do the discussion of textual exercise. Here, only direct answers are given. So, students, whenever you watch this video, at the time you have to keep your textbook open with you. See the questions from your textbook and answers are given here. Page number 38, oral questions, box it is given, rectangular box it is given. 4 oral questions are given on page number 38, chapter 4, page number 38, science textbook. Choose the correct answer. First one, we wear thick and warm clothes in. Options given are summer, winter, rainy season. Your answer will be winter. In winter season, we wear thick and warm clothes. Second one, dash means here options given are nylon, rayon, linen is a natural fiber which is obtained from plants. From these three, from nylon, rayon and linen, what you will get it from plants? It is linen. Linen you get it from plants. Third one, people working in factories wear. Options are overalls, white clothes या kimono. White clothes या saris. So people those who are working in factories wear overalls. Fourth one, national dress of a Japanese woman is. Options are sari, kimono or salwar kameez. Your answer will be kimono. Page number 38. Tick the correct answer given. First one, long ago when humans lived in caves, they wore clothes made of. Options given are cotton, silk, animal skin or wool. Your answer will be animal skin, because at the time they were not knowing how to wear that clothes, how to stitch that clothes. So at the time they used to wear animal skin, bark of the trees or leaves. Second one given on page number 39. Page number 39, your textbook, chapter 4, second MCQ. Clothes do not protect us from heat, cold, thieves या dirt. Your answer will be clothes do not protect us from thieves. All others clothes, if you will wear it, protect you from heat, it will protect you from cold and it will protect you from dirt. So here thieves won't come. Third one, a patient's clothes should be ironed, mended, disinfected या wetted. So patient's clothes should be always disinfected with any good disinfectant. Fourth one, to keep insects away. These are kept between the folds of the woolen clothes. In yesterday's video, I had explained you that what you are keeping between the woolen clothes and the silk clothes, mothballs and the dried neem leaves. So from the option you have to correct the tick answer. Correct answer you have to tick mark mothballs, sand, perfume or toffees. Your answer will be mothballs. Question B, write true or false. First one, natural fibers are waterproof and germ free. It is false. Natural fibers are waterproof and germ free. It is false. Natural fibers are not waterproof. Synthetic fibers are waterproof. Next question. We should wear wet socks and tight shoes. Again, it is false. We should never wear wet socks and tight shoes. Third one. A raincoat protects us from getting wet in the rain. Your answer will be true. Yes, of course. What is the purpose of the raincoat? To protect you from getting wet. Fourth, light colored clothes make us feel hot. Light colored clothes make us feel hot. Your answer will be false. It doesn't make us feel hot. It will give you coolness. So here answer will be false. It doesn't make you feel hot. It will make you feel cool. Fifth one. The national dress of an Indian woman is sari. Yes, true. The national dress of an Indian woman is sari. It is true. Write short answers. What are natural fibers? First question. Again page number 39. Question C. Write short answers. In that 5 questions are given. So first question that is given in your textbook, it is what are natural fibers, and here direct answer it is given fibers which are made from parts of plants or animals are called natural fibers. Fibers which are made from parts of plants or animals are called natural fibers. Second question. Write the names of two main made fabrics. Rayon and the polyester are the two main made fabrics. Third question. Write the names of two countries and their national dresses. The two countries are Japan and the India, and their national dresses. Japan kimono, India sari. Fourth question. Why do we wear socks and shoes? Again, why do we wear socks and shoes? Answer fourth given here, it is walking barefoot can cause cuts on our feet. आप नंगे पाँव चलोगे तो आपके पाँव में छाले पड़ जाएंगे. We wear socks and shoes to protect our feet from dust, heat, cold, germs and worms. We wear socks and shoes to protect our feet from dust, heat, cold, germs and worms. Fifth question. Name two things used to protect woolen clothes from insects. Mothballs and dried neem leaves. Mothballs and dried neem leaves are used to protect woolen clothes from insects. Answer these questions. We will discuss this question answer. Okay students, it is little bit long, but simply you have to keep it in your mind. Why do we need clothes? Yes, in my first video only this question only I had explained you. Why do we need clothes? We need clothes to protect our body from dust, heat, cold, rain and insect bites. Besides this, they also make us look smart. They give us look smart, so we need clothes. Second question. What is the difference between natural fibers and synthetic fibers? Two parts you have to make natural fibers and synthetic fibers. Whenever you want to remember the difference. If you will remember it in two parts, it will become easier for you. Natural fibers are made from parts of plants or animals. Again, natural fibers are made from parts of plants or animals. Synthetic fibers are not found in nature, but they are man-made. Both the first point, second point. Fibers like cotton, jute, and linen are obtained from plants. Fibers like wool, silk, and fur are obtained from animals. Synthetic fibers like nylon, rayon, and polyester are artificially made. Third question. Why do soldiers wear uniforms made from tough material? Soldier wears a uniform made from tough material so that it does not tear easily. Fourth question. How should we store clothes? We should store clothes after keeping them out in sun for few hours or dry cleaning them. If you are keeping in the sun for few hours, then don't give it for dry cleaning. If you don't want to keep it in sun, then give it for the dry cleaning. Keep dried neem leaves or mothballs between the folds of woolen clothes to keep insects away. So students, today we had discussed the textual exercise also. Yesterday in that worksheet, true or false and match the column was given. Next when we will start, at the time I will give you short question answer and this MCQ and true or false. Thank you students.